What's up guys, today I am going to show on best exercise bikes for your home in this year. Exercise bikes brought attention to the many health enthusiasts as it ensures fast fat burn up to 300 calories in just half an hour. Please subscribe my channel, click the bell and like, comment my video. Let's go. Number 10 is Exercise Bike Home Fitness Equipment Mute Exercise Bike Indoor Exercise Bike. Features of this product: model number 32522, product category upright adjustment method, own power generation exercise bike, efficacy, calories, speed, exercise program, distance program, weight loss, fitness, scope of application, office, family, weight capacity 150 kilograms, item number LM709, luxury style. So this is the best option for you to buy. The next is number 9, indoor cycle exercise stationary bike with LCD monitor, cardio fitness gym cycling machine, workout training, 265 lb max weight. Features of this product: brand name Flywheel. Upright cycling that you can use in the comfort of your own home. Sturdy iron frame gives extra stability. Adjustable seat and resistance improve cardio, burn fat, and gain strength. LCD display shows distance, calories burned, time, speed and pulse. So this is the best option for you to buy. The next is number 8, indoor exercise bike home elliptical trainer cyclette fitness workout exercise machine cycling trainer. Features of this product: adjustable resistance to meet different demands for sports intensity. You can adjust the distance of seat to the ground from 52 centimeters to 75 centimeters. The upright bicycle with stable base, and it is very convenient to get on and off. Non-slip pedal fixed with magic strap. Easy to attach your feet for cycling effectively and prevent slippery. So this is the best option for you to buy. The next is number 7, exercise bike home ultra quiet indoor weight loss pedal bike fitness bike dynamic bicycle fitness equipment. Features of this product: model number DK868, material stainless steel, ABSU, item number DK868, applicable scene, fitness equipment, cycling, fitness specification 868, luxury standard 868, luxury high with scope of application, outdoor, office, family program, mountain, fitness, weight loss. So this is the best option for you to buy. The next is number 6, YQS new indoor cycling bikes indoor exercise bike spinning bike gym machine home fitness equipment sport bicicleta spinning. Features of this product: model number Y05 plus, max user weight 150 kilograms, NW 29.5/35.5 kg, flywheel weight 6 kilograms, patent all-inclusive flywheel design, place of delivery China. So this is the best option for you to buy. The next is number 5, LED display bicycle fitness exercise bike cardio tools home indoor cycling trainer stationary bodybuilding fitness equipment. Features of this product: brand name Flywheel. Adjustable resistance to meet different demands for sports intensity. You can adjust the distance of seat to the ground from 52 centimeters to 75 centimeters. The upright bicycle with stable base, and it is very convenient to get on and off. Non-slip pedal fixed with magic strap. Easy to attach your feet for cycling effectively and prevent slippery. This LED display shows your sport time, cycling speed, distance, and calories consumption while using it. Perfect for keep fit at home whenever you like. Insisting on cycling it, you will also own a healthier and slimmer body. So this is the best option for you to buy. The next is number 4, Exercise bike home gym ultra quiet indoor weight loss weight pedal exercise spinning bicycle musical fitness equipment sports. Features of this product. Brand name, Flywheel, made of steel pipe and plastic material, durable and easy to install. Height adjustment for the seat, fits different body figures. Electronic display that shows the time, speed, distance, calories, heart rate on the display panel of the exercise bike. Speed regulation of exercise intensity, rotate in plus direction to increase riding resistance, rotate in dash direction to reduce riding resistance. Anti-slip pedals, adjustable with foot size. Polygonal non-slip base. Requires home assembly. So this is the best option for you to buy. The next is number 3, exercise bike home ultra quiet indoor weight loss pedal exercise bike spinning bicycle fitness equipment. Features of this product. Model number, DK300, model, DK300 resistance adjustment, screw shift adjustment can choose color, black white red transmission method, belt silent drive weight, net weight 27 kilograms, gross weight 29 kilograms. Product features, screw shift adjustment electronic watch display, time, speed, distance, total distance, calories burned, etc. Arch bridge design, smooth lines, stylish, load bearing, stable weight capacity, 250 kilograms. So this is the best option for you to buy. The next is number 2, YQS Ultra Quiet Indoor Sports Fitness Equipment Home Exercise Bike High Quality Indoor Cycling Bike Spinning Bicycle Exerciser. Features of this product. Model number, Y01, drive mode, 2-way belt drive, max user weight, 150 kilograms. So this is the best option for you to buy. The next is number 1, exercise bike home ultra quiet indoor weight loss pedal bike fitness bike dynamic bicycle fitness equipment. Features of this product. Model number, DK868 material, stainless steel, ABSU item number, DK868 applicable scene, fitness equipment, cycling, fitness specification, 868 luxury standard, 868 luxury high with scope of application, outdoor, office, family program, mountain, fitness, weight. So this is the best option for you to buy. Thanks for watching my video. If you do not watch my last videos, please watch this and don't forget to subscribe my channel.